Hi Capricorn, welcome to your reading. So, this is going to be from July 1st to the 15th for you. And how I do this is I first look into the current situation so that you know whether this is resonating with you. If the current situation resonates, then pretty much the outcome that I pick up will also resonate with you. I'll end it with a couple of messages from the universe for you so that you know, you have a guidance to follow. Also, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. And let us begin. Let's see what's going on with you presently, Capricorns. What's going on with Capricorns? Let's see. Page of Wands, Nine of Wands, and Death. What's going on, Capricorns? You're still going on because you're inspired by this thing. You still have faith in this thing. You don't want to give up. But it's like you're almost on the verge of collapsing. You're like, I can't deal with it anymore. How long do I have to deal with this? I don't know what this is about. We'll clarify. But it's more of like that one ray of hope still keeps you going. Let's see what this is about. We'll clarify each of the cards. Page of Wands here. Three of Wands. A lot of Wands here. Nine of Wands. The World. And what else? The World and King of Swords. Okay. Death. Three of Swords. Page of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. I'll take these. Page of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So your hope is making you wait for something. Alright? Somehow a part of you thinks that no, it will not work out, but still you are pretty confident somewhere, and the confidence is because that one ray of hope exists. Okay? With the Death card here, clarified by Three of Swords, Page of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles, this is telling me that you're still going on. Like you're heartbroken. Okay, you don't know if you have anything left to give, but still you're still showing as if everything is fine, when actually it is not, when actually it is quite painful, and I can see that, when actually you're breaking from inside, but still you're showing that everything is fine. Okay. I do see, and that this whole one thing, it's like that, that one last try, or that, okay, this is the only final door that I have. That is the energy that I'm picking up. Let's see if this resonated. Then let's see the next 15 days. What can you expect? Next 15 days, what can you expect? Eight of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. You're still giving. You're still giving in this connection. Because the driving force is very strong. I don't know what that driving force is. In the connection or in this situation, I don't know. We'll clarify. You're still giving. Despite feeling lonely, agitated, you're still giving in this connection. Let's see the Eight of Cups. What? Eight of Cups clarified by Eight of Cups. So, nothing else was just, this is that moment that I see for you, that let's see how much am I tested in this. That sort of an energy. You are like leaving it open to the universe that, okay, test me as much as you want. I'm game for it. Let me see. So you're very tired, but at the same time you're open to the test. Okay? Let's see the Six of Pentacles here. Seven of Wands. You know that you're doing a lot, but you're still doing it. Okay, you know that you're doing a lot, and I think you want to protect this. You don't want to end this somehow. But let's see. I mean, if something has to end, it will end. Let's do the Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. How many wands do you have in your reading? I think you will get to a point of understanding that it's not only me or it's not only you who has to put in effort. It has to always be from both the sides. Right now, you're just doing it because you want to do it, but the thing is, the effort has to be from both the sides. It cannot only be from one side. Okay? And I'm seeing you get into that energy. You're trying your best as much as possible to fight for this connection, but the thing is, you will reach that point possibly where you would know that how much can I put in effort, how long can this whole thing depend on me? Like it's like, how long can you pull the car's engine, like if it's like a 15-year-old car? You can't. Like at some point it will die out. So wait for that time. That's what I can tell you, because I don't see you giving up. You still want to keep trying till you know 100% that it's not working out. So that's how it is. Like, I mean, I wouldn't say that give up. Okay, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing you do in this 15 days, by the way. So let's see an advice for you, Capricorns. Sanat Kumara, light activation. Shine your light. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. That's what it is. I think you will understand when to stop, and that will be from inside. If I tell you or if someone else tells you, I don't think you would actually listen to it, but it will only happen when you know from inside. Okay, and that knowing will come very soon. Probably this month end you would understand what to do. You'll be very clear. Okay, let's see what else is the advice for you here. Let me pick up one more oracle. Mountain. You don't always have to take a tough path to success. There are some sides, like it's like be like water. Water flows through mountains. I mean, it doesn't climb the mountain and then go down. It makes way through the sides. So do that. Okay? Understand that maybe you are in this mindset that anything that is difficult is good. No, it's not like that. It's just a mindset. We think that something that comes to you with great difficulty is good. When the truth of the matter is that sometimes you put in so much effort that after you get it, you're like, okay. Sometimes you're so exhausted because you didn't give up and you feel that pain. Alright? That's what I have for you guys, Capricorn. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there. Just in case if you're interested, let me know. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily card check-ins over there. 3-card check-ins. I hope that helps. Take care. Bye-bye.